Good morning, everyone. This is Lance, an equity analyst for ABCAP, and welcome to Daily Trading Notes. U.S. equities closed slightly higher as tech rallies. Dow Jones was up by as much as 250 points, but closed flat as stimulus stalemate remains. Meanwhile, Netflix led the tech surge, jumping 5.5%. Nasdaq was up 159 points, Dow Jones was up 35 points, while the S&P was up 18 points. For our market outlook, the PSEI surged past the 5,900 level as local buyers persisted during the day. Local markets rallied as optimism is growing that consumer spending will pick up in 4Q 2020 on holiday spending. Historically, 4Q is usually the strongest quarter for the economy as well as local equities. In other news, BSP kept interest rates unchanged yesterday, as widely expected. Meanwhile, inflation is expected to slow this year to an average of 2.3%. BSP highlighted global uncertainty remains elevated while it continues to transmission of rate easing. BSP is ready to deploy full arsenal if needed. Meanwhile, inflation for September is expected to settle within 1.8 to 2.6% range. According to Governor Joknon, lower rice and oil prices, as well as Meralco power rates, along with the continued appreciation of the peso, are expected to be the primary sources of downward price pressures for the month. This could be partly offset by the slightly higher price of LPG. Moving forward, the BSP remains watchful of economic and financial developments and stands ready to take necessary policy actions to ensure the delivery of its primary mandate of price stability conducive to a balanced and sustainable economic growth. Also in other news, PH manufacturing PMI improved to 50.1 in September, marking the first expansion since February. Workforce numbers, however, remained on the downtrend. Although it is just slightly above the neutral reading of 50, we think a sustained figure above 50 will restore some confidence back in the market, as that reflects business optimism in the local economy. Meanwhile, the country now outperforms some ASEAN members in terms of manufacturing growth after having one of the lowest PMI reading last month. And that's it for our market outlook. Have a good day.